What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making the viral Longhorn Parmesan Crusted lamb chops. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you'll need lamb chops, lemon, parsley, Panko breadcrumbs, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, butter, buttermilk, mayo, ranch seasoning, grated Parmesan cheese, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, and garlic and herb seasoning. Begin by squeezing the juice of a half a lemon over your chops, a drizzle of olive oil, and season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and smoked paprika. Make sure your chops are well coated. For the ranch dressing, we're going to combine 2/3 cups of mayo, 2/3 cups of buttermilk, and a pack of ranch seasoning. This step is optional. You can use the ranch dressing of your choice. Chop up some parsley, grate Parmesan and mozzarella cheese, for the cheese mixture, combine a half cup of Parmesan cheese, a half cup of mozzarella cheese, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and slowly add in a half cup of ranch. For the breadcrumbs, mix together 1 cup of Panko breadcrumbs, a half stick of melted butter, parsley, and garlic and herb seasoning. In a hot skillet, add a couple tablespoons of oil. Sear the chops for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. After searing your chops, top with cheese mixture and breadcrumbs. Bake at 350 degrees for 5 minutes, and then place under the boiler for 2 to 3 minutes. And there you have it, the viral Longhorn Parmesan Crusted lamb chops. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know,
Them MFers be cooking.